Naveen, are you there? Naveen? Yeah, Naveen, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so if Nikhil is around, can you please ask him to send his answer sheet? I haven't received his answer sheet yet. Okay.
We're glitching.
See, last Sunday we had a test, right? So you have sent your answer sheet. Same wise, ask Nikhil also to send his answer sheet if he is around. Okay. If he is not, then I'll let him know myself in the class. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Also, class was canceled yesterday, right?
yeah. Yesterday there was no class. Okay. So what's the answer you have written for this question? Let me see. Yeah. So which one of the following is the natural source of light? Okay. So you have written sun. Okay. That is the correct answer. Okay. Now moving on to question number 2. The object which does not have a light of its own. Okay. So shining mirror, light bulb, star, and lighted matchbox. Okay. See, none of them has a light of its own. Okay, none of them has a light source
Oh,
of its own.
you
Okay.
meant you meant natural light?
Yeah. See, if we are talking about a particular thing having its own light, then we are talking of natural sources of light. Okay. Rest all will come into artificial source, and all these are artificial sources of light. Okay. So none of them are having a light of its own. Okay. So as I told you, there can be more than one answers for this. So all the answers were correct. Okay. So ABCD should be the answer rather than the shining mirror only. Okay.
I didn't know that.
Okay. No problem. Okay, question number 3. Stars are luminous, non-luminous, both of these, or none of these? Okay.
I said luminous.
No, you said luminous.
Yeah, that's right?
Yeah, luminous is right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Will you be calculating your marks?
I don't know how to like.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay, no problem. I'll do that. Yeah.
Let's see if I got something better than 70.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, we'll move to question number 4. Okay. Yeah. So, what is question number 4? A torch is luminous, non-luminous, both of these, or none of these? What have you
Not
written? You have
luminous.
written luminous. Okay. So, it is correct. Right?
Yeah! I meant luminous.
Yeah. Okay. Which of the following is a non-luminous object? Okay. So, which of the following is a non-luminous object?
It's obviously the chair.
Yeah, very good. It's correct. Okay.
I also did that. I
Yeah.
can't see it.
Yeah. I am seeing your answer sheet right now. Okay. Now, objects that do not give out or emit light of their own are called. They are called.
Non-luminous.
Very good. Okay. So, be
And I
non-luminous.
put that. And I put that, right?
Yeah, you did that correctly. Question number 7. Which of the following is a luminous object? It's
The
the sun.
sun.
Very good. Okay.
I put
The
that.
objects which allow light to pass through them are called transparent. Right, it's correct.
Transparent. I put that too.
Question
Air.
number 9. Air is transparent. Good, correct.
Yeah.
Question number 10. Glass sheet is an transparent object. Very good. Correct. Now,
Yep.
question number 11. Substances through which light can pass partially and things cannot seen clearly through them are translucent. Very good. Okay. Which of the following
Solid.
are transparent? Okay, you're asking some doubt, I guess. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay.
I'm just saying number 13.
No, it's question number 12, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which of the following are transparent or allows light to pass through it? Okay.
Oh, that's obviously glass.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Solid wax is
Obviously.
opaque.
Opaque. I put opaque.
Yeah, you have written opaque, right? Okay. Objects which does not allow light to pass through them are called opaque
Opaque.
objects. Okay. Now, question number 15. A mirror is an example of.
I said it was opaque, right?
Yeah, it's opaque. Yeah, it's opaque.
Oh, I thought it was none of
You
them.
cannot see through a mirror. Right?
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Now, question number 16. Which is an example of a translucent object?
I said thin piece of paper.
Yeah, very good. Question number 17. Light travels in a
Straight line.
straight line. Very good. Okay. Which type of objects do not allow light to pass through them? Opaque object. Right. Good. When an opaque object comes in the way of light, it makes a shadow. Very good. The image formed in water is question number 20, right? Erect. Very good. Okay. So you understood the meaning of erect, diminish, inverted, right? Magnified. These are the 4 terms that you have to keep in mind, okay? Because light is not like just for grade 6. You will be reading again it, I think grade 10 and grade 12 again.
Okay. Next question.
Yeah. So
are you gonna count the sentences?
Yeah, I'll count that as well.
Don't, please.
Oh, you don't want me to calculate that? Why? Because you haven't written correctly?
No, I feel like I did them wrong.
Okay. Okay, we'll see about that. Don't worry. Okay. Now, the shape of shadow depends upon the shape of object, size of source of light, color of the source of light. Okay.
I thought it was size of object.
You have written shape of object. Okay. So that's correct. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I was really hesitating.
Yeah. See, we are talking about the shape of the object, right? We are talking about the shape of the object. Okay. So shape won't change, but the size of the object can be changed. Okay. Sometimes you would be seeing like when you are walking, your shadow is much bigger than your actual size, right? So size of the object can be changed, but shape of the object will not change. Okay.
Okay, let me go get the book so I can see which ones I got wrong and right.
Okay, you want to get your book? Okay, go.
Okay. I got my book.
Yeah. So question number 22 is the position of the shadow changes with the position of the light source, the movement of the light source, both A and B, D, none of these. Okay, so answer is both A and B. You have done it correct. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So image formed by a plane mirror is inverted, erect but laterally inverted, none of these. Okay, so this one you have done wrong. Okay, see, what is mean by inverted? Tell me, what is mean by inverted? Suppose this is a mirror, right? This is a mirror. Okay, and this is Naveen standing in front of the mirror. Okay, this is Naveen and he is standing in front of the mirror. Okay. Now, how will you see yourself? How you will see yourself in the mirror?
Reflection.
Yeah, so this is Naveen. Okay, in the mirror, you will look like this. Okay, you will be able to look like this in the mirror. Okay, now what is meant by inverted? What is meant by inverted? Inverted means that if you are standing like this, what will happen? Your image will be like this. Okay, your image will be like this. Okay, so you will be upside down in inverted. Okay, erect means you will be straight like you are standing. Okay, like you are standing over here, you will be, your image in the mirror will be the same. Okay, so this is erect. Okay, upside down means inverted. Okay, now what is meant by erect but laterally inverted? What is meant by lateral inversion? When we talked about mirrors, I told you about lateral inversion, right? So lateral inversion means if you're standing in front of the mirror, suppose this is Naveen, he's standing in front of the mirror, okay? So, and this is his right hand, okay? This is his right hand and this is his left hand, okay? Now, what will happen? What will be the image formed in the mirror? The image formed in the mirror will be like this, okay? And this will be Naveen's right hand and this will be Naveen's left hand. Okay. So this is mean by lateral inversion. Okay. Only left and right will be different. Your body will be straight. Okay. It will be upright. It won't be upside down. Okay. Are you clear about lateral inversion and inversion? There is a difference between laterally inverted and inverted. Okay, inverted means you're upside down. Okay, so in place of your toes, your head will be there. In place of your head, your legs will be there. Okay, so that means inversion. Okay, if left and right are different, your left is image is right and image is right is your left. Okay, so that means it is laterally inverted. Okay, so in a mirror the image formed is erect. You are seeing yourself. In place of your head, you are seeing your head. In place of your legs, you are seeing your legs. Okay, so that means it's erect, but your left is right and your right is left. So that means that it is laterally inverted. Okay, are we clear about this?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the second question that's wrong. Okay, no problem. At least we are clear about it right now. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't do question 24.
Yeah, I'll just see. Wait. What's question number 24? Is it related to pinhole camera?
Where did I post the paper? My
Yeah,
paper?
actually, yeah, the things required for to make the pinhole camera, right? I was supposed to give you the materials required. Okay, I'll definitely send it by today or tomorrow. Okay, actually, I was not well. Okay, for 2 days, so it slipped out of my mind also. So I'll definitely post it today or tomorrow. If I post it today, we will be doing it tomorrow, or if not, we'll be doing the day after. Okay, we'll do it. The pinhole camera will do it. Okay.
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 What question are we on?
We are on question number 26. Okay. So, shadow of an object is dark, blue, red, or depends upon the color of the object. So, it is black. Okay, good. Shadow gives information about the shape of the light source, size of the object, surface of the object, or shape of the object. It gives the shape of the light source. Why?
Oh.
Why would it give the why would it give the shape of the light source? It will give you the shape of the object, right?
Oh.
Yeah, suppose there is this ball. Okay, there is this ball. This is the basketball. Okay, I don't know how. Yeah, so this is some ball. Okay, and you are projecting light through a torch. Okay, you are projecting light through a torch over here. Okay, this is the torch. Okay, and you are projecting light through torch. Okay, so how will it be the shadow? What will be the shadow
It
over
will be
here?
the ball. The shadow
Yeah,
will
it
be
would
the
be
ball.
the ball shadow, right? It would be the ball shadow.
Yeah.
It will be black, a circle. Okay, so what information it is giving about giving? It is giving the shape of the object, right or not? Yeah.
Yeah. Can we do number 28?
Yeah, we'll do number 23. Just a moment. The moment I annotate on the screen, I'm not able to scroll it. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, question number 28. Just a moment. I'll write it down. Question number. Yeah. The formation of shadow of one celestial body on the other is known as an eclipse, right?
What?
Oh my God. See, you asked me what is the celestial body, right? What did I told you? What is the celestial body? All the planets, stars, all the bodies that are found in the outer space, they are known as celestial bodies, right? The sun, the stars, the planets, everything is celestial body. Okay. So if a celestial body casts a shadow on the other, then it is known as an eclipse, right? What happens in an eclipse? We studied about eclipse, right? What happens in an eclipse?
The sun goes in front of the moon.
No, not the sun. Not the sun. Okay. What happens? The moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Okay. Or the earth comes in between the sun and the moon. Okay. So then this solar or lunar eclipse is formed. Okay. So that is an eclipse. Okay. So reflection is not, if the celestial body is forming a shadow over the other, then we call it as an eclipse. Okay. Because when I told you the examples of celestial bodies, I thought you will get it correct. Okay, no problem. Are we clear about it now? Do you?
Yes. Yeah.
We are clear about the meaning of celestial
29,
body?
29.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The ray of light that falls on a plane mirror is called. 29 is incident ray. Okay, when a light ray returns back after striking the surface of the plane mirror is called reflected ray. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Air and water are transparent objects. Okay. Stars are luminous, non-luminous, both of these, none of these. Stars are luminous. Okay. The material which allows light to pass through it is glass. Okay. Shadow of an object is always black. Okay. Question number 35. The object that does not give out light on its own is called?
Shining.
Light bulb, shining mirror, lighted matchstick, star. It's, what have you written for 35? It's shining mirror. Okay. Light travels in a straight line. Okay. I think some of the questions are repeated. Natural luminous object among the following is sun. Okay. Shadow gives us information about the size of the object, shape of the object, surface, all of these. You have written all of these, right? See, the shadows, they give information about the shadow of the shape of the object only. Only the shape of the object. Okay. The size of the object can be different. Okay. For shadows, can be very long and they can be very short depending upon the position of light. Okay. So only the shape of the object can be determined from shadows. Okay, not the other things. Okay, are we clear about it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this is 5 down. Okay. Now question number 39 is plywood sheet is an opaque object. The ray of light that falls on a plane mirror is called? See, it is incident ray. You just did the previous question. Why you did wrong over here?
Oh, I didn't know it was a repeated question.
Okay.
So how much did I get correct? How much did I get correct?
You got correct out of 40. Your score is 34.
Okay, let me check that.
Okay.
Okay, let me check that right quick.
What do you want to check?
Out of 40%.
Okay, you want to calculate the percentage.
I got 85.
Yeah, very good. See, I told you the last time, right? If you just study a little bit more, you will increase your score, right? You can do even better.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's hope for 95% the next time. Okay.
Actually, I wasn't using the book. I was using the phone.
Okay, you were using the phone. Okay.
Let me give it back real quick.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I need the phone. Daddy said I can have it.
Why? I'm back.
Yeah, you're back. Okay. So do you want me to discuss the fill in the blanks as well? Huh? Okay.
I
See,
mean, you could do it. You could do it.
yeah. Let's just know the answers for it. Okay. Let's just know the answers. Okay. See, first of all, the spelling is wrong. Okay, the spelling is horribly wrong. Okay. See, what's the spelling for microscopes? Tell me. Huh? It's not MY. See, whenever you are having trouble, okay, whenever you are having trouble in spelling out, okay, a word, a difficult word, okay, it's I know there will be some words that you will be having difficulty, okay, so to spell out, okay. So whenever you are having a difficulty to spell out a word, what you can do is you can divide it into syllables, okay. So you wanted to write microscopes here, right? So microscope, okay, so then you will be getting it correctly, okay. So okay, I can see over here why there is confusion between MI and MY, okay. Here it should be MI, not MY, okay. But what about core? We say it as micro, okay. So R should come first, right? R should come first, yes or no?
Yeah.
Micro, okay, not micro. We say it micro, okay. So first we need to learn it how to pronounce it correctly, then we will be able to spell it correctly. Are we clear about it? Yes or no,
Yeah.
Naveen?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. See, microscopes. Okay, the answer is not microscopes also, okay, because I just saw the spelling wrong. I was telling you this. Okay, see, microscope is not the answer. Light helps us to see the objects around us, okay. Microscopes
Oh.
help us to see very small objects that cannot be seen with naked eyes, okay. We cannot see bacteria or very small organisms with our naked eyes, right? So that's why we need to use microscope to see very small objects. But to see everything around us, we don't need microscopes. Okay, we
Okay,
can
next question.
yeah. Okay, so light helps us to see the objects around us. Are we clear about this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is question number 2? Objects that give out or emit light of their own are called natural.
Natural lights.
I think natural is correct. Not natural sources of light. Okay, natural sources of light. Okay, it's correct.
Does it still count?
Yeah, you can count if you want.
I still got the answer right.
Yeah, you've got the answer right. Yeah. You told me not to count the fill in the blanks, no? So I was not counting it.
Yeah, I'll see if they're good or not.
Okay. If they okay. So
But you should count them. You should count them.
you should count them. Okay, I'll count them. Okay. So objects that do not have light of their own are called non-luminous objects. Very good. Now substances which allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Very good. The darkness that an object causes when it prevents light to pass through is called shadow. Very good. Right. Image formed by a plane mirror is erect and laterally inverted. Okay, this is not incident ray. Okay, incident ray is the ray of light that falls on the mirror. Okay, what about the image that is formed in the mirror? It is erect and it is laterally inverted. Just now I explained this in the MCQ. Are we clear about this question, Naveen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, very good. Okay, now the image formed by pin. Okay, this one we have left. Light travels in a straight line. The spelling of straight is wrong. Okay, plastic is opaque, but glass is transparent. The image formed by a mirror is due to reflection of light. Very good. Yeah. Shadows are formed when a see what blocks when an opaque object comes in the path of light.
Oh, I
Yeah.
forgot opaque. Wait,
Yeah.
I meant to say opaque. Does that
Yeah,
still
yeah, I
count?
understand. By the block, you meant opaque, but block is not a type of object, right? You have to see what is coming after the sentence, right? What is coming after the blank. It is asking what type of object. So you have to say opaque object. Are we clear about it?
Yeah.
The phenomenon due to which light returns back after striking a highly polished surface is called reflection of light. Very good. I think question number 13 you have left. Okay. A shadow is always black while the image shows true colors of the object. Very good. The size of an object is relative to the light, to the dash of source of light with respect to the object, to the position of source of light with respect to the object. Okay, the position of the light source is also very important. Okay, you have to see whether the light source is coming from behind the object or it is in front of the object. Okay, so that also matters a lot. Okay, so the size of an object is relative to the position of source of light with respect to the object. Are we clear about this?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
What did I get?
We did just 15 questions, right?
Yeah.
Out of this. So one, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so out of 15, it's 11. Okay, so you can just calculate both. 40 plus 15, it's 65. And 6 plus 4, it's 10. So it's, you are getting 45 or 55. Okay, 45 marks of 55. Okay, so we can calculate the percentage now. So it's 81.8%, almost around 82%. Okay,
Wait, it says. Let me check. That's 77.33.
how come what you have written for 45 out of
I said,
55? 45 out of
oh,
55, right?
44 out of 55?
No, 45 out of 55.
45 out of 55. Okay, percentage. I got 81.82.
Yeah, okay. 81.82%. Okay, okay. So what grade does that falls under?
B.
What? A or B?
B.
Okay, B. Okay. Okay, next time we'll hope for like at least 90%. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with this chapter as well. Okay, so what chapter we were doing now? We were doing plants, right? Okay. So what were the parts of the plants that we discussed the last time? Tell me.
We did that. We did that thing that looks like a branch.
Yeah, branch. Okay. I'll just show